Euro USD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about euro against dollar on 23rd of April 2025. Before we start the analysis, make sure if you're new to the channel that subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and press the bell notification. And below the video you will find some links. The first link says make money on autopilot with forex trading. Click on that link, come to this page, check out all these screenshots and proofs. This is forex automation using the software, the expert advisor. So in case you are a newbie, okay, because learning manual trading is complicated and it cannot be learned without spending time and without spending so much money, okay. There's no learning in trading unless you lose so much money. So you have to invest your own money, test. And even though it does not guarantee you can learn everything on your own, okay. So for example, if you're a newbie, and you don't want to get into this manual trading or complicated stuff, if you are looking for some automation, then check out the first link and you can try this method. It's a full course on automation, okay. Second link says join my free Telegram channel. So click here and then join my Telegram in case you need some free signals every now and then. Make sure you're into my Telegram. Third link says check out best prop firm and forex brokers. Come to this page here. We have the best prop firm in the world. Best means it's best. I don't bullshit around here giving you top 5, top 4, top 3 firms. No. If I know the best, I'll give you the best. Okay, that's it. So if you do not have a huge funding, if you don't have those 10,000, 20,000, 50,000, $100,000 to start trading, then in that case, you can join a prop firm and get a funded account if you have the skills to pass the challenge. So go and join the prop firm if you want to. But if you have your own money to start with, then go and check out these brokers. Join these brokers, add your money and start your trading journey. Okay, coming back to this analysis now, euro dollar. Disclaimer, my videos are for educational purposes only. I don't take any responsibility for your losses, but send me profits. Okay, if you make profits from my videos, sure, just go ahead and send me some profits. Okay, I'm kidding right now, but I have this idea. In the future, you will see some link in my video description where I will say, okay, share profits with me. What does it mean? It means that if my videos help you to make some profits, and if you think you made that profit because of me, and if you are willing to share, go and send me some money. I'm just curious. I'll see what happens in the future. I'll see how many people are actually grateful for these free analysis, because what I'm doing is people charging thousands of dollars for doing this specifically, okay. So we will see, the time will tell what happens, but for now everything is free. So enjoy, subscribe and like. Starting with the top down approach, and again the disclaimer for scalpers, I don't give out any 5 minutes 50 minutes signals. So as a scalper, you can see my long-term analysis and then position yourself accordingly. Starting with top down approach, we have a doji candle in the weekly so far. Okay, so far this week started on 21st of April. So far, we are doji, which means we are not sure if it's going to go up or down. But in the weekly, all the previous highs are broken. Okay, so all the previous highs are broken in the weekly. And this could be considered as a rejection from the high level. So in weekly, we have a rejection kind of. Okay, if we come to Delhi, here in Delhi, we had this red candle yesterday on 22nd of April. And then we pushed down and then we are rejecting it. But still, but still red. And in 4 hour, what we have in 4 hour, we are near the EMA. Okay, so let's check the news. We have some news today. US flash manufacturing and flash services PMI. It shows it's coming down, but my gut feeling, okay, I could be wrong. Because news is like gambling. Okay, don't trade don't do trading while news only, because that's called gambling. Okay, but my analysis, my instinct, my gut feeling tells me that today dollar should go up. So this news should be positive for dollar. That's my gut feeling. I could be terribly wrong. Who knows? Okay, I could be terribly wrong, and the dollar might go down. But my gut feeling for now says that dollar will go up tonight or today. In my country, it will be tonight, but in America, it will be daytime. So yes, after the news, I believe that the dollar will push up. And if dollar will push up, then the euro will come down. Okay. So you can see a pattern here. So we had this, what do you call? We had this small the sell trend, then a small pullback, then the downtrend. Okay, and again you can consider this in 4 hours as a double top. So here this high did not break this high. So at 4 hour we can consider this as a double top. Okay, so yeah, and that's coming down. Now, two scenarios here in 4 hours. So sometimes you get entry signal in daily chart. Sometimes you get entry signal in 4-hour chart. Okay, now obviously the trend is up in all three time frames. Weekly is uptrend, or daily is uptrend, 4-hour is still uptrend. Okay, now here we will get the entry signal in 4-hour chart in Euro USD, and you have to look for it. Okay, so in case yeah, I think this will break the AMA. Okay, because you see here we had this this blue candle did not cross above this candle, so we are in, I mean, this downtrend is either over, or this will take a pullback and it will continue downtrend. Okay, so two possibilities, but for that we have to wait. So if it is going to continue the uptrend, we have to wait for a blue candle to close somewhere here. Okay, so if there is a blue candle in 4-hour which closes maybe above 1440, where is that? 1440 should be right here, or maybe, yeah. So if any blue candle crosses 1440 or 1450, after that you can enter buy. But if it breaks the EMA, then that means we are going for a pullback in Delhi, and use your Fibonacci. Okay, use your Fibonacci from here until here, and then pullback will happen. So if you want, my gut feeling says that euro is taking a pullback, and it can easily go up to 1.1260, something like that. Right now we are at 1404, and I have a gut feeling it's going to take a pullback at least 38%, and it's going to touch at least 1.1260, 1.12. So if you want, you can take at least 150 pips in this pullback if you want to trade counter trend. Okay, it's risky. You have to take your own risks to trade against the trend. But I know, if you go and take a take a look at the news. So once if the news is positive for dollar, that means euro is going to go down for maybe one day at least. Okay, so if this news for dollar comes positive, which means dollar is going to go up, so euro is going to go down. So keep an eye on the news, which is gonna happen in next one and a half hour, I guess. News will come after 1 hour from this video. So keep an eye on the news. If the dollar goes up, take sell trade if you want to, and take 100 pips and come out of it. Otherwise, wait for the pullback, then wait for the confirmation blue candle. If you want to wait for the pullback and then enter only buy, that will happen next week. If you want to enter this sell trend, then wait for the news and then check out whatever you want to do. If the news is positive for dollar, sell 100 pips, walk away. Okay, if you like what you see, subscribe, like, join all these links, Telegram, everything is free. I'll see you in my next analysis. Till then, take care.